Imagine holding a camera that doesn't just capture the world around you but elevates it. A camera that redefines the boundaries of what's possible, bringing every detail, every color, every emotion into crystal clear focus. The Sony A7R VI isn't just another camera. It's a game changer, a tool that turns ordinary moments into extraordinary works of art. If you're a photographer, a videographer, or simply someone who appreciates the power of true innovation, you need to experience this camera. The moment you pick up the Sony A7R VI, it's clear that this isn't a camera built for the average user. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. No, this is a camera built for the creators, the dreamers, the innovators. It feels solid in your hands, perfectly balanced with a design that's as sleek as it is functional. Whether you're capturing landscapes, portraits, or action shots, the A7R VI has been engineered to perform at the highest level, with the precision and control that every serious creator demands. Let's talk about the sensor. The A7R VI comes equipped with an incredible high-resolution full-frame sensor. This isn't just any sensor. This is the kind of sensor that allows you to capture images with so much detail, it's almost as if you're seeing the world in a way you never have before. Whether you're shooting in broad daylight or the lowest light conditions, the sensor in the A7R VI ensures that every image is sharp, vibrant, and full of depth. The resolution of the Sony A7R VI is absolutely mind-blowing. With a staggering 61 megapixels, this camera doesn't just take pictures, it creates masterpieces. Every pixel captures the tiniest nuances of your subject, ensuring that when you look at your images, you're seeing everything in stunning clarity. Whether you're zooming in for intricate details or pulling back for wide-angle shots, the A7R VI gives you the flexibility and freedom to capture it all, without losing any quality. And it's not just about the resolution. The dynamic range of the Sony A7R VI is next level. The depth in the shadows, the subtlety in the highlights, they're captured in ways that make your photos come to life. Whether you're shooting a high-contrast scene with bright skies and deep shadows or a soft portrait with delicate lighting, the A7R VI delivers images with depth, richness, and realism that's hard to beat. But what's the point of all that resolution if you can't capture the action? The Sony A7R VI shines here too, offering some of the best autofocus capabilities available today. An autofocus that locks on, even when your subject is in motion. Tracking autofocus that keeps your subject perfectly in focus no matter how fast they're moving. Whether you're shooting a fast-paced sporting event, wildlife, or a portrait, the A7R VI will make sure you never miss a moment. The precision of its autofocus system makes it feel like you have a second pair of eyes, always focused and ready to capture what you need. And the burst shooting speed is no joke either. With the A7R VI, you can shoot at up to 10 frames per second with full autofocus tracking. This is the kind of speed that lets you capture fast-moving subjects without hesitation, ensuring you never miss the perfect moment. The video capabilities of the Sony A7R VI are also something to marvel at. If you're a videographer, this camera is a dream come true. The ability to shoot in 4K with amazing detail and clarity is just the beginning. The A7R VI offers 10-bit 4:2:2 color depth, ensuring that your videos are rich and lifelike, with colors that pop off the screen.